Same area, different perimeter. Lesson 5. Topic 16. In the last lesson, we learned that we could get two different rectangles that have the same perimeter and different areas. In today's lesson, we will learn about the rectangles that have the same area but different perimeters. Here I have three rectangles. If I count the area of each rectangle, the answer will be 16 square units. For this rectangle, the area is 1 multiplies 16 equals 16 square units. For this, the area is 2 multiplies 8 equals 16 square units. And for this one, the area is 4 multiplies 4 equals 16 square units. So all of it have the same area. But what about the perimeter? Do all of the rectangles here have the same perimeter? For this one, the perimeter is 1 plus 16 plus 1 plus 16 equal 34 units. And for this rectangle here, the perimeter is 2 plus 8 plus 2 plus 8 equal 20 units. And for this one here, the perimeter is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16 units. As we can see, each rectangle have different perimeter. This one has the greatest perimeter, and the red one here have the smallest perimeter. Open page 873. In 3 to 6, use grid paper to draw two different rectangles with the given area. Tell the dimensions of each rectangle and tell which one has the smaller perimeter. Question 3. I have to draw two different rectangles with the area of 6 square feet. First, I need to find two multiplication equations with the answer of 6. I am thinking of 1 multiplies 6 equals 6 and 3 multiplies 2 equals 6. Then I will draw the rectangles. Now we need to find the perimeter of each rectangle. These two sides here are 1 foot long, and these two sides are 6 feet long. So the perimeter of the blue rectangle here is 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 6 equal 14 feet. These two sides are 2 feet long, and these two sides are 3 feet long. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 equal 10 feet. Which rectangle have the smaller perimeter? Yes, this one, because 10 is smaller than 14. Question 4. I have to draw two different rectangles with the area of 36 square yards. First, we need to find two multiplication equations with the answer of 36. I am thinking of 1 multiplies 36 equals 36 and 6 multiplies 6 equals 36. Then I will draw the rectangles. Now we need to find the perimeter of each rectangle. These two sides here are 1 yard long, and these two sides are 36 yards long. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 1 plus 36 plus 1 plus 36 equals 74 yards. All four sides here are 6 yards long. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equal 24 yards. Which rectangle have the smaller perimeter? The blue rectangle here have the smaller perimeter because 24 is smaller than 74. We will not solve question 5. Go to question 6. I have to draw two different rectangles with the area of 80 square inches. Again, I need to find two multiplication equations with the answer of 80. I am thinking of 2 multiplies 40 equal 80 and 8 multiplies 10 equal 80. I will draw the rectangles. Now we need to find the perimeter of each rectangle. The perimeter of this rectangle is 2 plus 40 plus 2 plus 40 equal 84 inches. And the perimeter of the blue rectangle is 8 plus 10 plus 8 plus 10 equal 36 inches. Which rectangle have the smaller perimeter? This one. Because 36 is smaller than 84. Try to do the rest by yourself and check your answer. In 7 to 10, use grid paper to draw two different rectangles with the given area. Tell the dimensions and the perimeter of each rectangle. Circle the rectangle that has the smaller perimeter. Question 6. I have to draw two different rectangles with the area of 9 square inches. What is the first step? Yes, we need to find two multiplication equations with the answer of 9. We know that 3 multiplies 3 equal 9 and 1 multiplies 9 equal 9. Then I will draw the rectangles. Now we need to find the perimeter of each rectangle. All four sides here are 3 inches long. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal 12 inches. These two sides are 1 inch long, and these two sides are 9 inches long. So the perimeter of the blue rectangle here is 1 plus 9 plus 1 plus 9 equal 20 inches. Which rectangle have the smaller perimeter? This one here, the purple one, because 12 is smaller than 20. Question 8. We have to draw two different rectangles with the area of 18 square feet. First, we need to find two multiplication equations with the answer of 18. As we know that 3 multiplies 6 equal 18 and 2 multiplies 9 equal 18. We have to draw the rectangles. Now, we need to find the perimeter of each rectangle. These two sides are 3 feet long, and these two sides are 6 feet long. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6 equal 18 feet long, equal 18 feet. For the second rectangle, these two sides are 2 feet long, and these two sides are 9 feet long. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 2 plus 9 plus 2 plus 9 equal 22 feet. It's clearly that this rectangle have the smaller perimeter because 8 is smaller than 22. Question 9. I have to draw two different rectangles that have the area of 30 square meters. First, we need to find two multiplication equations with the answer of 30. We all know that 3 multiplies 10 equals 30 and 5 multiplies 6 equals 30. Then we will draw the rectangles. Now we need to find the perimeter of each rectangle. These two sides are 3 meters long, and these two sides are 10 meters long. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 3 plus 10 plus 3 plus 10 equal 26 meters. For the second rectangle, these two sides are 5 meters long, and these two sides are 6 meters long. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6 equal 22 meters. Because 22 is smaller than 26, the green rectangle have the smaller perimeter. Question 10. I have to draw two different rectangles with the area of 32 square centimeters. First, we need to find two multiplication equations with the answer of 32. We all know that 1 multiplies 32 equals 32. And 4 multiplies 8 equals 32 also. We will draw the rectangles. Now we need to find the perimeter of each rectangle. These two sides here are 1 centimeter long. And these two sides are 32 centimeters long. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 1 plus 32 plus 1 plus 32 equal 66 centimeters. For the second rectangle, these two sides are 4 centimeters long, and these two sides are 8 centimeters long. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 8 equal 24 centimeters. 24 is smaller than 66. So we will circle this rectangle. In 11 to 14, describe a different rectangle with the same area as the one shown. Then tell which rectangle has the smaller perimeter. Question 11. First, I need to find the area of this rectangle. 4 multiplies 6 equal 24 square meters. Then I have to draw another rectangle with the same area. 24 is equal to 4 multiplies 6, and also equal to 3 multiplies 8. So the area of this rectangle is 3 multiplies 8 equal 24 square meters. The perimeter of the first rectangle here is 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6 equal 20 meters. And the perimeter of this rectangle here is 3 plus 8 plus 3 plus 8 equal 22 meters. Which rectangle have the smaller perimeter? Yes, the first one, because 20 is smaller than 22. Question 12. I need to find the area of this rectangle. 4 multiplies 3 equal 12 square yards. I know that 3 multiplies 4 equal 12, and also 2 multiplies 6 equal 12 square yards. The perimeter of the first rectangle here is 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 equal 14 yards. And the perimeter of the second rectangle is 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 equals 16 yards. The first rectangle have the smaller perimeter. Question 13. The area of this rectangle is 4 multiplies 5 equal 20 square feet. I have to draw another rectangle with the same area. 4 multiplies 5 equal 20, and 2 multiplies 10 equal 20 also. The perimeter of the first rectangle here is 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 equal 18 feet. The perimeter of the blue rectangle is 2 plus 10 plus 2 plus 10 equal 22 feet. The green rectangle have the smaller perimeter because 18 is smaller than 22. Question 14. The area of this rectangle is 2 multiplies 8 equals 16 centimeters. 16 square centimeters. I have to draw another rectangle with the same area. 2 multiplies 8 equals 16, and 4 multiplies 4 also equals 16 square centimeters. The perimeter of the first rectangle here is 2 plus 8 plus 2 plus 8 equal 20 centimeters. And the perimeter of the green rectangle here is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16 centimeters. The green rectangle have the smaller perimeter because 16 is smaller than 20. Open page 874. Question 20. Which statements about the rectangles to the right is true? Let's say that this rectangle is rectangle 1 and this rectangle is rectangle 2. A. They have the same dimensions or the same side lengths. Do they have the same side lengths? This is 4 and this is 4. This is 8 and this is 2. So no. No, they don't. B. They have the same number of rows. The number of rows in rectangle 1 is 4. And the number of rows in rectangle 2 is 2 inches. So we will not choose B. C. They have the same perimeter. The perimeter of rectangle 1 is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16 inches. And the perimeter of rectangle 2 is 2 plus 8 plus 2 plus 8 equal 20 inches. So we will not choose C. They don't have the same perimeter. They have D. They have the same area. The area of rectangle 1 is 4 multiplies 4 equals 16. And the area of rectangle 2 is 2 multiplies 8 equals 16 square inches also. So yes, they have the same area. We finished our lesson for today. Thank you for listening. Bye.